So this new set of texture wheels comes with a couple different things I'll show you. Kind of a wide and a fine straight line, an innie and an outie, kind of a bump, and then three different, for lack of a better term, kind of a zipper pattern. I kind of like the widest one best, but let me show you these real quick. The fine tooth pattern, I really like it. But I did have to stop a lot when my clay was wet and kind of take a toothbrush and clean it out. But I did like the pattern. Next up is the wide. So we have the innie. Kind of like the innie, you know, it makes the bumps raised on the clay. I kind of like it more between the two, but they're both fun. Pushed a little hard right there. Of the three zipper patterns, this is kind of a fine zipper. And we have like a staggered kind of zipper pattern. And then we have a really wide gapped zipper pattern. Okay, you can see this is very fine. I think the wider ones are more fun. I like, of the three zippers, I kind of like this one the best. Again, they're all cool. I like the one that gives the raised bumps probably more than the one that pushes in, but they're all fun. I'll be offering these packs of wheels on my website. I'll make up a couple sets and maybe somebody else wants to give it a try.